Sulphur. Sulphur is a yellow non-metallic element which is brittle at room temperature. It is found in group 6 in the periodic table, placed below oxygen. It has an electronic configuration of 286. Occurrence. It occurs as underground deposits, example, in Louisiana in the USA, Japan, Sicily, etc. In the combined state, it is found as sulfide of iron, zinc, lead and copper, as sulfate of calcium, magnesium, etc. and also as hydrogen sulfide in natural gas. Extraction of underground sulfur, that is the French process. Sulfur is obtained from underground deposits which may be more than 200 meters below the surface of the earth. Extraction of sulfur is based on a technique known as the French process. A hole of about 30 centimeters is drilled through soil layers into the sulfur bed. A sulfur pump made up of 3 concentric steel pipes is then driven down the hole. Superheated water of about 170 degrees centigrade and 10 atmosphere is forced through the outermost tube to the sulfur bed to melt the sulfur. The melting point of sulfur is 115 degrees centigrade. Hot compressed air at the pressure of 15 atmosphere is then blown down the innermost tube to force the molten sulfur up through the middle tube. The sulfur is prevented from solidifying by the high temperature in the middle tube, which is maintained by the heat of the superheated water on the outer side and the hot compressed air in the inner side. The molten sulfur is continuously being pumped to the receptacle at the surface, where it is allowed to solidify in large tanks. The sulfur obtained is about 99.5% pure. Note: by allowing the water sulfur slurry to cool, upon solidification in the tanks, the sulfur separates itself from the water. The French process has the following advantages. It is cheap, rapid, and the sulfur obtained is about 99.5% pure. This purity is because superheated water melts sulfur, leaving out chief contaminants like sand and clay. Underground sulfur is not extracted by mining because the deposits are very far, 200 meters below the earth's surface. The layers of sand and clay above are weak and can easily collapse. Poisonous sulfur dioxide gas can easily be produced in such mines. Superheated water at about 170 degrees centigrade is obtained by heating the water under high pressure of about 10 atmosphere. Sulfur is commercialized in cylindrical forms called rolled sulfur.